Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is 26th of July 2022, 8:33 p.m. I'm running super late. That is the nature of life. We're always running late, we're always trying to figure things out. We're always on the get go.
Bruh.
Lively show host. So, no mind pour as such. I woke up at 9 today because tired.
Bruh.
That's all, that's the only word I have, but I did feel fresh. Today all in all was another Autohotkey day. Improving the code, firstly I sat and wrote down the entire step-by-step process of after I stop record here and for me to get to a point when I can start editing. So I'll just quickly go through it. First is file management. This is all the folders that have to be opened, and I tried to make a script for this today in Autohotkey and I will show you how much of progress I've made there. Then inside Premiere you have to bring in these files. Firstly here we're trying to copy all the files from the camera and OBS into the folder of the particular day's vlog. Then here we are trying to bring those files into Premiere Pro, and then even before we can begin editing this is the entire Premiere script which has to be done to set up the multicam and apply all the LUTs and all of that stuff. So after all of this I can begin editing. Now ready to edit. And inside Autohotkey at 3:11 p.m. spend almost the entire morning getting some bit of the file management automated with hotkey. Progress script asks for two inputs, okay, vlog number and vlog date. Based on that it duplicates the sample folder and renames it accordingly. Then we can go inside it into video, open camera and OBS to separate windows. Now I'm stuck at not being able to open the phone directory. For some reason the phone directory is not opening up. For cubic worlds I saw one video robot detailing, and it's just like taking all those parts and randomizing rotation, scale, positions. Is the most boring part of the entire modeling. For me to make something random, I just don't know. I can't make things random. That's a big struggle I have. I did not do anything in Blender, but I'll get to it. It's been a bit difficult recently. For work day, full-time job, I made one edit based on the feedback today and I sent it at around 3:30. For dad's work, so this show 3, right, 13 episode go through is done, but there is one query in it, so I cannot submit it. So that I have submitted the query for this, and I have submitted the show to query submission, so that is a good. Ticked both the things out. Small things I've learned: Autohotkey, avoid assigning anything to F2 because F2 is a window wide shortcut for renaming things, and I am pretty much in my muscle memory to want to rename things to F2 because even inside Blender you rename things through F2. In Premiere and After Effects I've set custom shortcuts instead of return to be F2 to rename things, so avoid that. Now I will quickly show you the Autohotkey script I've made. If I can find the folder which has Autohotkey in it. This is the script. It's called ITK in the khud files.ahk. I'm gonna just run this script, and for this script it has to be, nothing has to be selected, no window has to be selected. Okay, here no window is selected, even if this is here, but you have to click here, okay, on the desktop, and you press F1. Now when you press F1 it will ask two inputs. Enter vlog number. So today's vlog number is 17 and today's date 26/07. I just need month and date, and I hit OK. Now this will open this folder. Oh shit, I did something very weird. It was supposed to rename. Okay, very base theory.
Bruh.
What is wrong? Camera path. This is not working. I'm just gonna comment this out. Log number 17. Yeah. Okay, quite a few things happened here, but thankfully the script is working. So what it did is, in this folder it took this, duplicated this folder, and based on the inputs I'd given, so vlog 17 and then underscore. This is one thing I encountered is I can't put hashtag here because hashtag just triggers window key and then Cinema 4D opens up every time. So vlog -17 underscore, this happened, okay, and it went inside here, and here it opened camera and OBS opened. As you saw in the error, it's not opening up for some reason, this path. My phone's the camera where the footage is getting recorded. I don't know why. I have to figure that out. Once that is figured, then I have to figure out another thing is how do we recognize which window is camera and which window is OBS. You can probably do a window title thing inside AHK, where if the title is camera, you take that footage from the camera and paste it here, and you'll similarly have to open the OBS screen recording folder where this OBS is getting stored, copy that and paste it into this folder which is called OBS. So as you can see, there's quite a few things that have to be done, but certainly we've made a little bit of progress there. Just now before recording this, I was testing a script which I can use in Excel to calculate the sum of these. So I already have a script which calculates. I'll have to launch it, I think. music cue sheets. Okay, if I come in here and press F5, it goes into TC Calc, calculates the difference and pastes it here. Now I was working on this script which takes an input for the number of rows, and then based on the number of rows it goes in here and adds the sum of these TCRs using TC Calc. So that is under progress now, because I don't think it's worth showing. Like I can try F8, number of rows. Here I cannot for some reason have rows -1, so if there are 2 rows I have to press 1 here, it'll go in here and then it goes till here. So loop is working. There's a little bit of progress, but I have to still give it the logic of go in here, add, and then come in here, paste, copy, paste, and then add, and then the final product, paste it here. This won't take long. This will be doable very easily. So these are the 2 scripts I worked on today. Inside After Effects I was shown a reference for a video. It just reminded me of the good old creative workflow days, where I would take a reference from Dribble. It's a typographic reference and I would try to replicate it. It has this waving thing, and I figured like very quickly that it's using the tracking, and it's using so if you see the original one, this is the video, the original video. Okay, the waving thing, just take it out of the equation. That can be just added later with wave warp, but the text is repeated and time it's tracking and there's position happening. So I have to get to doing this on first a plain thing. So if I show you the little progress I did, this was just a random test, but I got to somewhere here. Of course the timing is completely off and I have to work that, but the core is this. I have to use tracking inside text animators and I have to use the position to achieve this. So even this I will try getting to tomorrow, because I have to now edit this video and I have to rush to the gym, because I missed gym yesterday as well. If you remember, there was the Ethernet problem. That was today's tensionful, scriptful day. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being in the Khud one more day. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.